Hi everyone, my name is Chris. My husband, our 5 kids, and I have been vegan for almost 4 years now, and one of the things that I loved before going vegan was baking. I was that kid growing up in the Caribbean, up under my grandmother every Sunday when she was baking. And now that I live in America and it's fall, I love baking in the fall, especially pumpkin spice everything. On our pumpkin spice latte recipe vegan style video, I asked you guys, what else do you want to see us make pumpkin spice? And one of our awesome subscribers suggested pumpkin spice cake, pumpkin spice cookies, all kinds of stuff. So in your honor, today we're making the most moist, buttery pumpkin spice cake ever. It's gonna have just enough sweetness, just enough pumpkin flavor, and I know you will love and enjoy it. It also makes the perfect after school snack if you put it in little mini muffin pans for the kids. They will absolutely love it, I guarantee it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The full recipe with all the details are in the description box below. So let's get started. All you have to do is set up your dry mix in one bowl, your wet mix in another bowl, and just alternate adding each of them into a third bowl with your creamy sweet pumpkin spice mixture. For your dry mix, you'll need the following items. For your wet mix, you'll need the following items. And for your pumpkin spice mixture, you'll need these items. Of course, you can sub in spelt flour or oat milk or date or coconut sugar if you'd prefer. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so once you have your 3 mixes, there's no rush. Take your time mixing in the flour completely. Also, because the garbanzo bean liquid is the binder in this recipe and acts like an egg, you want to treat it like egg and mix it thoroughly so there's no trace of that bean taste once it's baked. Once you've alternated dry and wet and there are no ingredients left, you just add it to your pan, bake, and admire it as it cools down. Make sure you let it cool completely before you slice it and enjoy. Now I've tweaked this recipe to perfection for my family, so make sure you check out the full details in the description box below. Try it and see what you think. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment letting me know anything else you'd like to see us make pumpkin spice inspired the rest of this season. And also make sure you hit that like button if this video was helpful to you, and hit that subscribe button if you have not yet joined the Infinite family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.